Okay, folks, we have a big one today. This is a Chef Fowl meat grinder. Chef Fowl meat grinder. Herfano. Cheffano. Life meat grinder. So, I cut the tape. I have not opened it, actually. So let's see what's in here. Wow. They went to some effort on this one. Do you see this? Every little thing has got its spot. That's pretty nice. So these are the grinding wheels in here with the blade. There's two of them. I bet there's a third one somewhere. And one blade right there. Let's see. This is part of the sausage making stuff. This is the meat squisher, and it doesn't have much better of a name officially. It is a meat squisher. Okay, we've got the directions and how it looks when it's set up. Let's pull this off. Alright, here is, yep, there it is. It's showing you how it goes together. And you've got this little thing right here in there. Alright. That's cool. And here is the main device. If I can get it out. This is nice. No. That is so frustrating when that happens. The meat grinder is so big that I had to extend the camera, and it takes up like 50% of the table. So that's a little frustrating. But anyway, let's take a look at it. This one actually has a handle on it. That's nice. Alright, so there it is. Jesus. I have another one of these, and this button was not apparent. It was on top and pretty much invisible. But this is what you push to release this out of the hole. I'm surprised I didn't break mine. I was pulling on it so hard trying to get this out the first time I used it. But when you put this in here, when you want to get it out, you have to push this button. Alright, so, and I'll just quickly show you how it's, I swear this is for the sausage. Very strange. Because this will not fit in that plastic thing. So, I don't know. But I will show you how this goes together. They've already got one of these in here, and I'm going to show you. So this is the ring you screw it on, but they've already got a plate in there, probably the most common one that you would use. Actually, this looks like large. A blade, and then the gear piece, and these are not sharp. Don't worry about the blades being sharp. They're not sharp. Then there's a little piece in here. So these guys actually show you how it's put together. And there's a warning on the bottom on us how to put this in here. And it's blades out, not blades in. But now it's not flush. And it must be flush, there we go, in order to get the cap on. So, there it is right there. Screw this on. And the whole thing, it's got, what do you call those, suction cups on the bottom. This one's a little bit different. It's got things on here that you have to match up to this. Tabs or whatever you want to call them. Boy, that is tough. That is tough. What in the world? It does not want to go on there. Okay, that is really terrible. Let's try it a different way. There we go. Nope, now it's not going to go on. Okay, my other one, this thing goes on real easy. This one's just being awful. What is going on? Oh, there we go, finally. And it clicks into place. Then this goes in there. This does not fit with this in there. But you'll take the, oh, that's what that is. You have a little cleaning brush too. There you go. So that's how that looks. Alright, and then to take it apart, pull this tray out, and you have to push the button to get it to release the other piece. Okay, this button does not pop, so you just push it in and then turn it and take it off. Okay, different than mine. Alright, folks, there are some things I like better with this one and some things I don't like. Number one, the biggest improvement was this handle on top and the button on the side so that you can see it. This right here with these little grabby dudes, not fun at all. And it's packaged much nicer than the other one I have. So, alright folks, if you are in the mood for a meat grinder, here's one that looks pretty good to me. Hey, where's the button to start it? Oh, holy crap. So there's the button to start. I don't think I like that. That is on the wrong side of the blender. This is made for left-handed operation. So you would have to have it sitting this way to use it instead of this way, which is how I do it. Because my left hand is for operating the buttons. My right hand is for dealing with the meat. Alright, so this is made for, yeah. Alright, so this is for someone who is left-handed. The buttons are here. So, alright, that's interesting. But anyway, alright, if you're in the mood for one of these, I'll leave a product link down in the description. As always, if you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll bring another interesting thing to you later. Have a great day.